lane. Yeah, never go wrong with the oldies, man. Me and you cruising in the slow lane. Gotta keep it OG, that's the oldies way.
It's a beautiful day to come out and shine. Polished up the wheels on my flaked out ride. Getting ready for the cruise tonight. It's gonna be a bomb day, so I gotta look fly. Looked in my closet for some gear to throw on. And feet, I took it to the cleaners, now it's all gone. There's a place down the road with some low-lows, and I think they even sell cholo clothes. Orale, better get my act straight. Running out of time, I'm gonna be late. So I jump in my Rila, head to la tienda. Look in the mirror, feeling like a real winner. Heading to la casa, ironing my paño. Lining up my khakis, fresh out the baño. Jump in my Ranfla, pick up my Jaina. Hit it through emotion and I jumped in the lineup.
No, they don't make them like this here no more. Mirror chrome bumpers and a candy glow. Top down cruising in the slow lane. Yeah, never go wrong with the oldies, man. Me and you cruising in the slow lane. Gotta keep it OG, that's the oldies way.
Gotta get faded for the show tonight. Saw this place off the freeway on 225. Old Town Barbershop in Pasadena. With the detail shop, Bob Wright's getting cleaner. Walked through the store, Pachuca's all rush. Bought a clean Pendleton with the matched up chucks. Asked the homeboy, could I get a cut? Sat me down on his chair, then I said, oh what? Across the room I saw this fine chick getting tatted all up, so I took a quick pic. Damn, she looked hard when she stared at me. So I said, what's up girl, here's my DVD. Are you down to be filmed in a movie? Creeping that 5'4", top down, bouncing that booty. She said, I'll do it for the gram. Orale, can you do it on this old school jam?
No, they don't make them like this here no more. Mirror chrome bumpers and a candy glow. Top down cruising in the slow lane. Yeah, never go wrong with the oldies, man. Me and you cruising in the slow lane. Gotta keep it OG, that's the oldies way. We rap a club and watch our family grow. Just can't wait to take you to the show.
From Pasadena, Dina.
John red costumes, Portugal's for us, yeah. Walk down barber shop, a tattoo parlor, baby.
Oldies but goodies. Chuco Ramirez. Olmeca Records. Got down fingers.